Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for this week's video I'm going to be showing you a quick and easy recipe on how to make baked barbecue chicken wings. Okay guys, so really quickly, these are all the ingredients that you will need for this recipe. So once you have gathered all your ingredients, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take our chicken wings and we're going to rinse them in vinegar water. Now we're going to go ahead and cut our chicken wings in half. We're going to do so by cutting through the joint, which is between the drum and the flat pieces of the chicken wings. After cutting your chicken wings in half, you're going to start by adding your powder seasonings and then your plant-based seasonings and rubbing the seasonings into the chicken, making sure that all the pieces are covered in seasoning. Now I'm taking my baking tray, which I've already lined with foil, and now I'm going to add olive oil to the bottom to prevent it from sticking and drying out. After your baking tray has been preheated, you're going to go ahead and add your chicken wings, then place back in the oven at 350 degrees. Okay, it's been about 25 to 30 minutes, and as you can see, our chicken wings are starting to get brown. So now we're going to flip them over on the other side and place it back into the oven. Okay, now that we have our wings back in the oven, we're gonna go ahead and use this time to prepare our sauce. I'm using Kraft sweet honey barbecue sauce, and although it already has honey in it, I'm going to add an additional 1 teaspoon of honey and mix. Okay, so our wings are finished baking, so now we're going to add the sauce. And for this step, all you're going to do is take each pieces of wings and dip them in your sweet honey barbecue sauce, place them back on the baking tray, and after you have completed covering all the pieces in sauce, you're going to place it back into the oven for 5 to 10 minutes to allow the sauce to cook on the chicken. Okay guys, there you have it. Our sweet honey barbecue chicken wings are all done. As you can see, they are looking so juicy, so bomb. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Comment down below what you thought of today's video. And until next time, bye guys.